Then question number 2, they said simplify. Here I have 2a plus 3b plus a plus b plus 6. Here we are going to group a and b themselves and 6 itself. Then 2 plus a plus 3b plus b plus 6. And then here 2 plus a is equal to 3a plus 4b plus 6. To mean once we simplify, we will find that correct answer. And then b here, we have 7a plus 3b minus 5a plus 4a plus c. And then we are going to group a and b themselves, even c itself. Then it will become 7a minus 5b plus 4a, then plus 3b, then plus c. Then here once I subtract, it become 2a, then plus 4a will become 6a plus 3b, then plus c. Then the correct answer is this. And then here we have 3 is going to multiply inside the bracket and we solve. Here we become 3x, here c, 3x plus 6 plus x plus here 2. And then here we become 4x plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. The correct answer is 4x plus 8. Then here I have d 1 over 8, 1 over 3 times 6m plus 9n. And then here we become, once I multiply, we become 6 over 3m plus 9n over 3. To mean we become 2m plus 3n. Then here they said write the following numbers in words. Here I have for a is 14 million 141 thousand 200 and 19. Then question number B, they said write in what also we become B 2 million 900 99,900 99. Or is about question number 3. And then here question number 4, they said convert the following 23 over 4 into decimal numbers. Here we become 23 over 4. And then here once I divide it, we become 23 over 4. Here I put here 5. And then here I become 20. I subtract, we remain by 3. Then upon here 0, here 7. We become 28 and then here remain by 2. I add another 0 because of that point, and then I put here 5, then it will become here 20. Then to mean here the correct answer once I divide will become 5.75. I also have a question here. They said a country has a population of 5,600,000 to write the population in figures. Here the tricks behind is to write 5,000,000 itself, 6,000 itself, and 2, and then I add here 5,000,000. This is 5,000,000, then plus 6,000. I add 0,0,0,0,0, and then here 2, and then the sum I will get here is the correct answer. Here 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then I bring down here 0, and then here 0, then here 0 also, and then here 0. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, and then here I bring down here 5. This is 5,600,000 to convert the following decimals into fractions. And then here once they say convert into fractions, I have first of all to convert. This is 125 over 1000. And then here once I simplify, here I'm going to simplify. Here will become 1, and then here will become 8. To mean the correct choice here is correct A. And then here for question number, and then here they said the Musasala and weight 36.2, 41.3, and 57. And then here as written here we have to add the items, and we divide the number of items. Here I am going to take 36.2 plus 41.3 plus 57.6 over 3. Then here become 3, and then here this is point, then 57.6 point, then here 57, and then once I add here we become 911. I write 1 here, I keep also here 1, it becomes 7, 8, then it become 15, and then here I bring down point, I keep here 1, and then here we become 4, 8, then it's 13, then we become 135.1, and then here I'm going to convert this answer into a fraction. We become 135.1, and then over 3. Then here I'm going to convert it into fraction. We become 1351, then over 10, then over 3 here, then here there is 1. We become 1351 over 10 times 1 over 3. Then once I multiply, we become 1351 over 30. To mean the correct answer here is number B. Then here we have a question which say the price of the pair of shoes is 40,000. This is increased by 15%. Calculate new price of the shoes. Here we are asked to increase. Here as we are increasing, you have to take 100% plus here 50%. Then here we multiply by the cost of the shoes, which is 40,000 Rwandan francs. And then here we become 115 over 100 times here 40,000 Rwandan francs. Then to mean 0 we cancel this, and then we become, once I multiply this, we become 46,000 Rwandan francs. To mean the correct answer here, we become, the correct answer here is C. And then Here also have round off decimal numbers 12.238 to the nearest tenths. Then here the tenths is that 2 and is followed by 3, which is under the 5, to mean that we become 112.2. Then another number will be changed into 0, and then we add 0 under here, we become 12.2. The correct answer is C. Then change 12.5% into decimals. Here to mean we become that. Here we have 12.5 over 2. To mean we are going to convert into improper fraction. Here we become 24 plus 1 over 2. We become 25 over 2, then percent. To mean that I have 25 over 2, then divide by 100. Then over here 1 become 25 over 2 times 1 over 100, which is equal to 25 over 200. And then once I divide here, will become the correct answer. We are going to divide here, will become 5, and then here will become 400. And then to mean that the correct answer will become 0.125. Then to mean the correct answer is C. Then here we are asked to find the highest common factor of 56 and then 88 and 120. Here once I divide here 6, 88 and then 120, here will become, I put here 2, once I divide become 60, here 44, and then here will become 28. And then here 2, 30, then 22, then it will become 14. I put also 2 here, will become 15, and then it become 11, here will become 7, and then here I put here number 3, we become 5, and then here will become 11, here 7, and then I put here 5, here will become 1, 11, and then here 7. And then I put here 7 also, we become 1, 11, then 7, here also become 11, 1, 1, 1. To mean the highest common factor, we become these two also, we become 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. Then to mean the correct answer here is question is C. And then here we have Kalinda and the Mukamson shared 12,000 Rwandan. For this question, Kalinda and the Mukamson shared 12,000 Rwandan francs in the ratio of 3 to 5. Here how much each person get, how much more Mukamson get than Kalinda. Here first of all I have to find total ratio. Here will become 3 plus 5. And then here will become 8. And then for Kalinda, we become 5 times 12,000 Rwandan francs over here 8. And then Mukamsoni, we become, here I'm sorry is 3, then 5 times 12,000 Rwandan francs over 8. Once I divide here, I found that is 4,500 Rwandan francs, and then here becomes 700, 500 Rwandan francs. And then they said how much Mukamson get than Kalinda. To mean that here I will take the amount of Mukamson and I subtract of that of Kalinda. He will become 7,500 Rwandan francs minus 4,500 Rwandan francs. here it means that I will remain with 3,000 Rwandan francs. Then here I have 4.5 kilogram plus 13.6 decagram. How many kilograms are there? First of all, I have to convert into conversion table. I start by kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. Then to mean here will become we have given us 4.5 kilogram. 4.5 kilogram must be written as this, and then I have 13.6 decagram. Then to mean that here is 3, here 1, then 0.6, here is decagram. It must have to be converted into kilograms. Then to mean here will become, once I convert, will become this, then 6, 3, then here 6 power